I am Parthasharthi Banerjee, Assistant Professor of Information Technology Department of this college. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all to this event, to this inaugural session of the week-long short-term course on recent trends in opportunistic and social networks and its application. The event is jointly organized by the Computer Application Department of this college and Computer Science and Engineering Department of NIT Durgapur, and it is sponsored by ITRA Media Lab Asia, Government of India. This program is a part of the outreach program under the DISAM project, successfully coordinated by Dr. Indrajit Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor of Department of Computer Application of this college. I am proudly associated with this project as a co-PI. We are very aware of the disaster. Disaster has been a big threat to the civilization since very early days. In spite of the phenomenal progress in technology, human being always falls prey to this unforeseen danger. It has not been possible yet to prevent the natural disaster. Man-made disaster is a curse to the civilization. However, in any case, life is at stake. We cannot prevent the natural disaster. We cannot predict precisely the proper timing of a natural calamity. Rather, what we can do at most is that we can prevent the further loss of life that survived after the disaster. Now, effort is being made all over the world to survive the life, the disaster-stricken people from the disaster-stricken areas, and to few workers can reach the particular place within a short time and let the people come from the disaster-stricken. This project, that is the DISAM project, is made for this purpose. This is a joint project. This is a joint project where institutes like IIT Kharagpur, IIMC Kolkata, IIES Shibpur, Kuldani Government Engineering College, NIT Durgapur, Heritage Institute of Technology are working together for a noble purpose. All the people associated with this project are trying to devise a practically realizable communication architecture which will provide seamless information exchange among the rescue workers. It is going to be a unique conglomeration of ad hoc network, social network, language processing, and many other specialized subjects. We have tried to make this event a platform for exchange of ideas. Participants can get a good exposure about the application of opportunistic and social network in post-disaster situation analysis. We welcome all sorts of inputs from the participants so that we can successfully proceed towards the goal of the DISAM project. There will be lecture sessions by eminent professors from institutions of national and international repute. There will be extensive lab sessions and demonstration classes. We hope that you will enjoy your stay here, and let's collaborate to make this program a big success. Present here in this inaugural session, may I request our respected Principal Sir, Dr. Krishnendu Chakraborty, to come on stage and take his seat. Please, sir. Our student Shunita will welcome Principal Sir with a small gift and a flower bouquet. Welcome to the event, sir. Now may I call Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department of Kuldani University to come on stage and take a seat. Our student Shushweta will welcome Dr. J.K. Mondal sir with a small gift and a flower bouquet. Welcome to the event, sir. Now I would like to request Dr. Indrajit Bhattacharya, the key person of this event, the coordinator of this DISM project and an assistant professor of computer application department of this college, to come on stage and have seat. Sunita will welcome Dr. Bhattacharya with a flower bouquet and a small gift. We wish you will be presented by MCA second year student Susmita Pal.
Good morning, all the teachers and principals are respected. আমার প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে তাই হেরে তাই সকল খানে। আমার প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে তাই হেরে তাই সকল খানে। আছে সে নয়নতারা, আছে সে নয়নতারা আলোক ধারা তাই না হারায়। ওগো তাই দেখি তাই যেথায় সেথায় তাকাই আমি যেদিকে পানি। প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে তাই হেরি তাই সকল খানে। আমি তার মুখের কথা শুনতে বলে গেলাম কোথাও। আমি তার মুখের কথা শুনতে বলে গেলাম কোথাও। শোনা হলো না তোর আইন ধেয়ে দেখেন যে, আইন ধেয়ে দেখেন যে আমার বুকে। ওরে দেখ রে আমার দুই নয়নে। আমার প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে তাই হেরি তাই সকল খানে। আছে সে নয়নতারায়, আছে সে নয়নতারায় আলোক ধারায় তাই না হারায়। ওগো তাই দেখি তাই যেথায় সেথায় তাকাই আমি যেদিকে পানি। প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে তাই হেরে তাই সকল খানে। আমার প্রাণের মানুষ আছে প্রাণে তাই হেরে তাই সকল খানে। আমার প্রাণের মানুষ।
No, Susmita, right? Now I would like to request our honorable principal sir to come here and say a few words.
It is really very happy occasion for us that we are holding this short-term program in our institution, and people from other than our institution has come to our institute. This is a unique opportunity for us to have outsider to our institute, because we are staying at remote corner of a particular city of Kolani. Now, this type of program are being held regularly in our institution. I must be grateful to our faculty member who take pain to organize this type of activities, and this enriches our knowledge. I believe that as a teacher, so long I survive, I must learn, and this is our motto. And we are very much happy in the environment where I can learn and I can teach. Now, to share my own experience, that today I would have been at Badampur Government Engineering College. They are conducting a short-term program on MATLAB and Simulink. Till now, I continue my programming with Fortran, but I think that I must change myself. I must learn modern languages, and from tomorrow I will be joining Badampur Government Engineering College as a participant to learn MATLAB and Simulink. My point of saying is that this initiative we must have, this art we must have, that we must update myself, update ourselves. Now I am 53 years old. I have service for another 5 years, and I am already a principal. I have no promotion, no demotion. Then also I have hours to learn. With this, I like to invite the thought in your mind that so long we survive, we must learn, and this learning is for myself, for my student, and community at large. With this, I welcome you all. I hope that your stay will be very much fruitful. When you go from the institution to your institute, you'll have a feeling that I have gained something and my value addition is positive, is not negative. With this, I once again welcome. Thank you very much.
Words. Now I would like to request our chief guest, Dr. J.K. Mondal, to come here and say a few words. Please, sir.
Principal of this college, faculty members of my university departments, scholars, students, all faculty members here. So I think during 2005-07 I was here as a faculty member. So always I love to come here and share the expertise, whatever I can gather. Regarding the program of this type of summer course or training staff development, Honorable Principal has rightly pointed out that with the time you see that the technology, state of the art, it continuously changing. The scenario is also being changed. So I was thankful to all of the faculty members of this institute that they have taken initiative regularly throughout the year, throughout the session, to conduct this type of courses, to update themselves and the people surrounding areas, and also share the expertise they have. Also bring some experts from outside also. That is one good opportunity they are continuously creating in this institute, and that should be. And regarding development also, you see we have started with nothing, that basic or something like that. And when we have studied, we are only a mainframe machine like IBM 1130, IBM 670 and Data 670 and IBM 370. So if we stop there, then our development surely stop. So the scenario of 1985 to scenario of 2015, everything has changed. Tools has been changed, lot of development has been done. So we have to be faced with this development, and for this staff development program is very important to us, because most of the cases this staff development program are conducted during the 8th semester. So I think everyone should learn something from here and take something from here. At least one topic, my suggestion, that they should take from here and start working on that topic so that they can move forward. From various experts they are delivering. So I think at least one topic should take that. I should take it the next 2 years in my college or in my institution or in my university, and for myself and for my scholar or for my research work, or to the final year students of MCA, MTech, BTech, whatever may be. And that is our place of dissemination of this knowledge, I think. And if we can do it, then we will say that the organizer, those who are taking so much pain to organize this type of workshop, will be successful. So much successful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for rightly pointing out the basic aim of this type of courses. We are really looking forward to this type of teamwork from all the participants, so that we can move forward with the goal of our project. Now I would like to request Dr. Bhattacharya, the coordinator of this project, this course, Dr. Indrajit Bhattacharya, to come here and say a few words.
Respected Principal Sir, Chief Guest Professor J.K. Mondal, all the participants inside and outside of KGEC. So on behalf of Department of Computer Application, Kolani Government Engineering College, we welcome all of you in KGEC in this short-term course, 1 week long. So I think it is a very related topic considering the current scenario. The increased use of ICT in different fields like post-disaster scenario results in efficient need assessment and situation analysis. In such situations, as infrastructure is totally or partially broken, establishment of communication is a primary concern. Delay tolerant network or DTN in such cases can be used to communicate among the field workers in an opportunistic way. In this course, we have tried to focus on various aspects of such opportunistic and social networks. We have arranged 8 lecture sessions by different experts from our country as well as from abroad during the program. Also, we have arranged 5 hands-on sessions on network simulation, Android-based apps development and UAV. I shall request all the participants to actively participate in each sessions during the 6 days of the program. I hope all of them would be immensely benefited from this event. Have a nice day in KGEC. Thank you all.
And we are on the finish line of this inaugural program. We are going to conclude, and there will be a lecture session taken by Professor J.K. Mondal here, and so we are very thankful to all to be present in this inaugural session and make this event a successful one. And we solicit this type of collaboration, this type of cooperation throughout the course so that the ultimate success is achieved. And again, we thank you all. We are taking just 5-minute breaks, and after that we will again assemble in this hall, and Dr.